This is Reddy from Narayana Techniques. So today's our topic is write a function to concatenate one string to another string. So in the previous videos, we just try to explain that how to calculating the length of the string and as well as printing the string in reversing mechanism and as well as copy one string to another string here. Concatenation is nothing but adding one string to the another string here. So now we have this function is called void strcat. We have a predefined function is called as strcat, which is used to be add one string to another string. Here we are using another user defined function which is called strcat function here. Okay, let us for example main function character str1 of 90, str2 of 90, printf into the first string, get us str1, and then we are going to asking another string that is called as printf into the second string here. So accept another string that is printf enter second string here. Printf enter second string here. So get us str2 here. After accepting these two strings here, then we are calling this function name is called strcat function, that is called as str1 comma str2 is nothing but str2 is going to add into str1 string here. So then printf str1 and as well as str2 here. So now the definition of this function is void strcat character pointer s1 comma character pointer s2 here. Now what is this function purpose is str1 is, let us for example you entered hello and str2 is entered as hi here. There is nothing but str2 is nothing but hi, that should be add to the str1 of hello, that should be str1 is hello hi here. So we have predefined function we used earlier strcat function. Now similarly we are writing our own function. So how can we add second string to the first string? First we should find the length of the string, that is str1 length you should find out. Once you find the length of the string, from the length equation we should add one character by getting characters from str2 string until the str2 string is null character. So that is nothing but first we are going to for calculating the length of the string. How to calculate length of the string, that's already we given in the previous videos also. For I equivalent to 0, pointer s1 plus I, which is not equivalent to null character I plus plus, then length len plus plus 0. So what is this loop purpose is to be calculating the length, nothing but first string length is going to calculating. After calculating the length is nothing but number of characters. This number of characters are available from 0 to length minus 1 positions here. So once we calculate length, then we are getting one character from the second string until the second string is null character. Whatever we are getting the one character from the second string, that should be added to the first string from the length equation. That is nothing but pointer s1 plus len equivalent to pointer s2 plus I here. So what is s2 plus I? First time for example hi, that is nothing but h character is adding in the position of the pointer s1 plus length equation. Then length should be increment here, that is len plus plus here. After incrementing, then I plus plus is nothing but 1 pointer s2 plus 1, that is adding to s1 plus length position. Then length plus plus here. Then again I plus plus is pointer s2 plus I, that is s2 plus 2 not equivalent null character. Then add to pointer s1 plus length position, that is equivalent to pointer s2 plus I. Then length plus plus. Like this loop is going to repeating until the second string is null character. Getting one character from the second string and check it not null character or not. If it is not null character, then adding it to the first string from the length equation and incrementing the length equation until the second string is getting the null character. Once the second string gets null character, then the loop will stop and come out from loop. After come out from this loop, then in s2 plus length equation we are going to inserting the null character according to the definition of the string. What is string is a collection or grouping of characters and terminated by null characters. So it's nothing but let us for example we entered str1 is called as hello and str2 if we entered as a hai. So it's nothing but after addition of this one str1 you will be going to getting as what is str1 after concatenation str1 will be hello then here. So like this you will be going to getting the str1 string after and addition of str2 to the str1 by adding this strcat function here. So like this you can use str1 comma str2 or str2 comma str1 here. So this is a function which is to be adding one string to another string. So users, if you like this video, please like and share, and for more updated videos please subscribe our channel. Thank you one and all.